So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2023 Genesis G90, and this is one of those vehicles where some folks are more likely to want to be driven in rather than drive themselves. So as such, there is a hidden, I would say hidden because it may be enabled to another mode to start, chauffeur mode in the G90. So I'm going to take a moment to showcase just how to enable the chauffeur mode should you be somebody who's being driven in this car. So there's the drive mode switch on the center console right here. So pushing that a few times cycles you through eco, comfort, sport. And you see there's a hold button, and right now mine says my, which is the my drive mode. It can also say smart there, and chauffeur should you toggle the options in the settings. So I'm going to showcase how you do that. So on your infotainment, likely starts with the screensaver screen. Swipe over. You can customize this however you like, so go locate wherever you have your setup option. First one, vehicle, you can already see drive mode is listed in the options. Second one down, drive mode, and then select your custom mode right here. So this controls what you do when you hold down the drive mode button. So right now I have it to the my drive mode, but which you can customize to whatever you want. It's kind of like a custom drive mode. You also have smart, which automatically customizes the ride using the 3 different drive modes, and the vehicle does it for you. And there's also chauffeur mode, which optimizes the settings to provide the most comfortable ride in the rear seat. Now that rear seat is actually quite comfortable spot. So you can see it has kind of pillow headrests, very private, sunscreens all throughout. You got a little hook should you have a suit or something, want to hook something up there. You got your own mirror and sunroof. Basically a pretty comfortable experience back there. Now, if you have a driver and you enable that chauffeur mode, everything, the suspension and everything will be tuned in a way to make it most comfortable for the guy in the back seat or go. So that is how you enable the chauffeur mode in the 2023 Genesis G90. Thanks for watching.